Ever wondered what's really inside your favorite snacks or skincare products? Meet Yuka, the AI-powered app that scans, analyzes, and rates the health impact of food and cosmetics right from your phone. Yuka makes healthy shopping simple. Just scan a barcode and instantly see if a product is excellent, good, poor, or bad for your health. No more decoding confusing labels. Yuka does the hard work for you. And let me preface this by saying this video is not sponsored by Yuka. I just wanted to share this awesome, useful AI hack that Yuka provides. It caught my eye when I saw my wife scanning all the food barcodes for details of what exactly was in the product, detailing how healthy products really are behind their fancy packaging. So, I thought I would share the benefits of Yuka with you. Let's try Yuka out. My wife is scanning this food item to show you Yuka's capabilities. Yuka breaks down the score based on additives, sugar, salt, and more. Green means excellent. Orange is okay. Red means think twice. And look, sometimes supermarket brands are healthier than the expensive ones. Yuka isn't just for food. Scan your cosmetics to spot hidden irritants, allergens, or endocrine disruptors. Get peace of mind about what you put on your skin. Yuka scores the foods ranging from 0 to 100. Over 75 is excellent, 50 to 75 is good, 20 to 50 is poor, and under 20 is very poor, 20 is bad. Each score is based on a transparent, science-backed algorithm. And Yuka is 100% independent. Brands can't pay Yuka to change their ratings. And there are 0 ads, even with the free version of Yuka. Want more reasons Yuka is the go-to shopping app for healthy living? The previous aspects we focused on were all available on the free version, but the paid version of Yuka Premium at only $15 a year unlocks powerful extras, giving you the ability to search any product without scanning it. It provides an offline mode for shopping without internet or cell signal, and it also gives you personalized alerts for dietary needs, like gluten-free, vegan, or palm oil-free products. With over 60 million users worldwide, Yuka is changing how we shop. You can even join the movement call-out brands to reformulate unhealthy products and help build a healthier marketplace. Ready to take control of your health? Download Yuka from the App Store or Play Store today, scan your next snack, and see what you discover. I can guarantee you will find some hidden aspects of your favorite products you never knew before. You might even change to other products, as I have, after reviewing Yuka's details of some of our most used products.
It looks...
The suspected carcinogenic. Ooh, that's not good.
It looks really good. But is it worth it? The app says no. Carcinogenic, huh?
This additive is suspected of being carcinogenic at high doses. Might not be a good thing for me.
And what app is that?
Yuka?
What? Yuka. Yuka. Y-U-K-A.
It gives you alternatives, like other pizzas.
That's awesome. So this is a no-go then?
I want to try it, but it's like,
Yeah, suspected carcinogenic. Let's pass.
weakening of the immune system.
Yeah, let's pass.
Yeah.
Drop your favorite Yuka healthy product finds in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more useful AI hacks. See you tomorrow at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time for another useful AI hack update.